We are now standing at Magen David Adom's National Emergency Dispatch Center. For about 40 minutes, there has been constant firing of rockets from Iran towards the entire country of Israel. Magen David Adom stands ready to respond for any incidents. Up until now, we received several reports of missiles hitting different locations in Israel. Nevertheless, currently there are no casualties that Magen David Adom was reported of. Magen David Adom teams are still surveying several sections, and we will continue and update as the situation evolves.